Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your Bybit account is active and you can access settings. This matters because you'll need account controls to add 2FA. Open the Bybit app or website and go straight to security settings. Make sure Google Authenticator is installed on your mobile device and that your camera works for scanning QR codes. Once done, choose the option to bind or enable Google Authenticator. This initiates the unique secret key and QR display you will scan next. Now you scan the QR code shown by Bybit using Google Authenticator. This pairs the accounts and generates time-based codes. If scanning fails, copy the secret key from Bybit and paste it into Authenticator manually. This yields the same codes. Make sure to write down or export the backup key and store it offline, because it's the only way to restore the Authenticator if your phone is lost. Once codes appear in Authenticator, you're ready to complete verification on Bybit. To finish, enter the current 6-digit code from Google Authenticator into Bybit's verification field and submit. This confirms the link. After successful verification, enable two-factor authentication and perform a quick logout and log in to test that codes work for protected actions like withdrawals. If the code is rejected, make sure to sync your phone's time settings with network time, because time drift causes one-time codes to fail. If problems persist, use the saved backup key to re-add Authenticator.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.